Is it worth all that broccoli?
What are you having?
Raisins and yum yum. You should have some more of that. No?
I think if you're still hungry, you should probably eat your chicken.
More yummies? Peas?
How do you say no to that?
Peas, Dad? Peas?
Are you still hungry?
Let me have some more yummies.
Who has the sweetest voice?
Me.